In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dynamic data labels in Excel charts. We're going to create a simple column chart in Excel and then make the data labels dynamic by pulling them from cells in your worksheet. This is a great way to make charts more informative, especially when you want to display custom symbols or text instead of just the default numbers. First, open Excel and start with a worksheet where you can enter some sample data. You'll want to set up your data in a clear table format so Excel can easily turn it into a chart. Enter your sample values, including a month column, a sales column, and a symbol column. The month column will be used for the horizontal axis. The sales column will determine the height of the bars, and the symbol column will be used later to create the dynamic labels. Once your data is in place, select the month and sales columns. This tells Excel exactly which information you want to visualize in the chart. After selecting those two columns, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. From there, click on Column Chart and choose a standard column chart option. Excel will immediately generate the chart based on the data you selected. This gives you the basic visual, and now we can customize it to make the labels dynamic. Click directly on the chart so it becomes active. When the chart is selected, you should see a small plus button appear next to it. Click that plus button to open the Chart Elements menu, then check Data Labels. This adds labels to the chart so each bar displays information. Next, right-click one of the data labels and choose Format Data Labels. This opens the formatting pane where you can control what the labels show and how they behave. In that pane, check the option called Value from Cells. This is the key step that makes the labels dynamic, because instead of using only the built-in chart values, Excel can now pull label content from a selected range in the worksheet. When prompted, select the symbol column from your data. Make sure you highlight the cells that contain the symbols you want to display for each bar. Then click OK to confirm your selection. At this point, your chart labels should update to reflect the contents of those cells. Because the labels are linked to worksheet data, they can change dynamically whenever the cell values change, which makes this technique especially useful for dashboards and reports that update over time. If this tutorial helped you, please consider subscribing. We post new software tutorials every day to help you get the most out of your favorite tools. Thanks for watching.